it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me today. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. I throw in a few little other videos as well. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another human hair slay, and of course it is yet another Amazon unit. This is a 13x4 deep wave lace frontal wig. I have it in 20 inches with 180% density. She did come in a natural black color, but as you can see, I decided to give her a nice little ombre effect. So let's just go ahead and dive right into the unboxing, the styling, and the installing.
We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
Alright y'all, so let's get into this dyeing process. As you can see, I already have the hair sectioned out in pretty large sections, might I add. So I'm going to be using this BW2 powder lightener along with this 40 volume developer. So in my experience, I do highly recommend that you use a lower volume such as 20 or 30 volume. So as you can see, I added about 3 scoops of the powder, and I just I judge the amount of developer that I use. I don't really measure the developer. I just continue to pour in until I get a very loose consistency so that the product can glide all over the hair easily. So I'm starting off with the first section by brushing through the hair to make sure there are no tangles. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put that foil piece behind the hair and begin applying the bleach product. Since these are large sections of hair, I am working very diligently to ensure that this product is evenly distributed through all of the hair strands. And I go from middle to end, and then I even go ahead and brush through the hair to make sure that the product is being evenly distributed. So I basically fold the hair up in this foil and pretty much repeat the same process throughout the rest of the wig. And this is pretty much what it looks like as a result. Now I'm going to go ahead and start checking the pieces of hair in the foil to see if they have turned, and as you can see, they have. It turns very fast, especially with 40 volume developer. That's why I highly recommend that you use a lower volume so that it doesn't work as fast. As you can also see, the back processed much faster than I was able to get to the front, so I had to let the front sit a little longer. Now we're all processed. I have went ahead and washed the hair off camera. Also used some purple shampoo to get rid of the brassiness. Now I'm going in with these 2 products that will give me the wet and wavy look. I'm starting with the Elasta Feels Like Silk styling gel all throughout the hair. Then I'm going to follow that up with the Mixed Chicks Morning After Redefining Foam. Now I'm just brushing through the hair using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I'm just going to scrunch the hair up so that the curls are nice and defined. So before I install the wig, I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 Mocha. This is what the hair looks like after it has air dried for a few days. I'm going to continue with my normal installation process, so continue watching.
Always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.
Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this one. Most of you already know, if you watch me frequently, one of my favorite styles are deep wave units. Like, I just love the deep wave style. One of my favorites. Perfect length at 20 inches. Now, of course, they claim to come pre-plucked, but y'all know me. I decided to pluck it a little more, and I feel like it's looking very natural. Like, the hairline is really nice here. So you saw me go through the whole process of changing the color with a little bleach. So I think it turned out fairly well. I will recommend, if this is something that you try using a lower volume developer. I used 40, which is very high. So if you do something like this, try using like 20 or 30 max, because it starts processing very fast, as you saw. And that's why I have like a couple of spots of discoloration, as you see right here. Same on this side a little bit, because it was in areas where I needed to like get it off, and you know, I was like working in sections here. So you want a lower volume developer so that it processes a little slower while you're working through the rest of the hair. With that, I do plan to dye this unit again using the watercolor method. I'm gonna go for a reddish color. So stay tuned for that video. That will be coming soon. Hey y'all, so I really just wanted to jump in and let you see how I did change this color to red. I like it so much better with this color. So this is the final state of this wig, and I'm quite pleased with it. So I really didn't have too many issues with this unit. It seemed to melt nicely. The cap is pretty spacious, all head friendly for sure. Now it does shed quite a bit, and that could be a result of me with doing this dyeing method. Could be me, I don't know, but it does shed. No tangling, of course, but we're shedding. So let's get into the price. As I mentioned before, you can find this unit on Amazon for a whopping $117 plus some change. Pretty affordable for this length and style of wig, and for it to claim to come pre-plucked with baby hairs already. I think that's a pretty decent cost, especially for 20 inches. Of course, as always, I'll list all of the information down in the description box below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. So, I mean, that's really all. I don't have a whole lot to say on this unit. Like, I just like it. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little fall leaf right here, since we are now in the fall season, down in the comments, so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin. And you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. As always, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
Just let us keep on with the black eyes.